Hello there, my friends. Well, here I've got my brand new LG washer, and what's great about this is on the front display, there's like no buttons. They're like hidden. So you hit power, it goes on, and then it has cycles here, right? So check this out. So right now, the cycles pop up. This one says normal. Can you focus on that? And you can see auto, and you can see heavy, right? So in order to switch between them, you hit cycles, heavy, turbo, auto. Okay, so you would normally think like auto would be the one that you would want to pick, right? But that's not necessarily the case. In fact, the installer told me not to pick auto because what happens is that taxes the computer that's inside here and it will lower the life expectancy of that computer. So you might have to change a chip further down the road. So he said most things are going to be normal. Normal is a great cycle to choose. That's going to like take care of 99% of your stuff, right? So heavy, obviously, that's for like pots that have like, you know, really bad staining or something. You have to like really get, you know, a heavy load, but that's going to use obviously a lot more energy. And then turbo is basically like a rinse cycle, more or less. At least that's the way it was explained to me. So I'm going to leave this on normal, and this little flashing light tells you like approximately how much time it's going to take to do that cycle. And then when you're ready, press this start button right here. All right, that's all I got. And I love how it sings to you. And if you have any questions about this washing machine or dishwasher, I guess you could do clothes in it. Go ahead and put them in the comments because I just got this and I'm going to learn all about it and I'm going to share all about it with you. So if this helped you, smash like and have a great day. Thanks.